How to set water usage notification. Tap the scene icon after associate the gateway and the water meter. Tap Create Scene to the setting page. Click when device statute changes and choose Select a single device. Choose the water meter. Tap Water Usage. You can choose less than or equal to or greater than of your water usage. Set the specific number of water usage. Click Confirm. Tap Add Task and choose Send Notification. Click Message Sender. Click Save, set Scene Name and choose Confirm. You will receive the message when the water usage meets your setting.